Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide columns in Excel shortcuts. So let's start this in my Excel, and here I'm going to use the shortcut keys in Excel to hide the column. So simply I use here the arrow key to select a particular cell. So I select here the column D first cell. Here I'm going to hide the D to G column. Okay, so first I select the column D first cell and I press here the shift key, then I use the right arrow key to select the D to G first cell. After that, just hold the shift key here and use the control key and then use the down arrow key, and that's it. Here you see the full column is selected. After that, use the shortcut key Alt H O U C, and that's it, your columns is hide. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.